Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a new Chrome extension that a friend of the Merch Mastermind group showed me or showed us. It's an awesome simple Chrome extension to search for low competition, high demand niches. Very easy to use, and for the time that you purchase this is free. And I will give you the name and where you can find. Okay. Also, if you want to join the Merch Masterminds, is the school group of Adam and Philip, two famous YouTubers for print on demand. Also, I will leave that link in the description if you're curious. Okay. Let me show you first. Yeah, the name of the app or the Merch Chrome extension is Merch IQ. Here you can read a brief description. If you wanna, you can download it. I already have downloaded it, and you know how to execute a Chrome extension. Okay, this is how it works. It's also, for example, I'm gonna go here to my Merch Informer research, the way I start every morning. And I'm gonna put DDQ blank, and I'm gonna put search. Here I'm gonna put sorted by newest, and here's the extension. Here's okay. Let me show you how this works. This is the way that I found many niches, but you can experiment yourself. For example, here I put BSR 1 to 300,000. You can change price, reduce rating. Even the day if you wanna find all new uploads. Okay, then I sort by BSR, so the lowest BSR you will see first, and then I'm gonna tell it to scan starting from page 1, and I'm gonna tell it to scan 10 pages, but you can 10, 40, 100, but 10 is a nice way to start. Okay, then I'm gonna put apply, and the tool will start scanning. You see scanning. It's only showing me the newest arrivals that are lower than 300,000 DSR. Okay. Also, it is excluding copyright brands, trademarks, etc. By clicking here, you don't captured anything here. Okay. Already found certified. Okay, and here you start scanning yourself. Look at the BSR. They're all low BSR. I know some of these had a lot of competition. For example, the Bigfoot Dr. Silly. But let me see if I can find newest strengths with low BSR and low competition. For example, there's no Barbie. This is controversial. Let me see. Morning. Alright. This is new. I don't know what it is, but I know it has a repetition. For example, this is interesting. Let it go. It's using a pan of bamboo. Then let me see if I tap on another one. Oh, this one I know is also pending, and I don't know why. But that's including the search. Always remember you have to do your search for trademarks and everything else. Don't blame me, you know. Let me see. I'm not choosing many of these because I already know that by competition. Okay. One pack to find today, and then I'm gonna show you a way of mixing my app Trend Chaser, the parts of the calendar, with the tool that I found a lot of niche play that way. Okay, one more. We got 4 here. Let's see with the competitions to high. For example, here it says true competition 647. Okay, that's a true competition because sometimes it says 200, and in the third page it says 2000. Okay, the tool also checks that. Okay, I'm gonna sort here by DSR again and see the lowest up. Okay, this is interesting. There we go. I share here 1, 2. Look at the BSR is good. Let it go. Or silly. Let it go. Okay. And the competition is under 1,000. It's a good niche. I'm gonna download this and check the next one. Here, for example, I got 314 results. That's very low. And then I'm gonna click here BSR. Look at the BSR, and competition is very low. With a winner. Look at this. 50 bot in the past month. You see how easy Spanish niche it too? Okay, you already have 2 winners. Let's see here, 27 of competition. What was this? No tractor time today. No tractor driving today. It's almost no competition here. But there is only one good seller. You can do it if you want. Here, 600. Let's see BSR up. Oh my god, look at this BSR. This is awesome for retired teachers. If you wanna lead this as an evergreen, you can post it without the year. Okay, that's what I do. This is awesome. It's a winner score. Already we have 3. And then a different way of using this, for example, if you go to my trend chase it up, that is, I also want to give you a description. This is up, by the way, I'm turning it to a full website, but it will have printers who make different searches, different niches, and different more advanced tools than just this website. Okay, I'm just making the changes. This is, in the meantime, the report trends of the day. Okay, here I'm gonna list the calendar. We're gonna check what's coming, important dates. For example, you can, here put graduation is coming 6 days away. You're still in time, and you can put here graduation. And let's see, using the tool again, I'm gonna put again 1. We can resulted ESR, take 1. Then we can do more work. And let's see a result for this. Already stock is showing 26, 36, 39, 40. Okay, let's see, look at this. Wow, this, I bet they all have a lot of competition, but let's search further to find something. Okay, you have to look for each listing with your end posting. For example, here you can. For example, here, let's check this one. On the last full side measure. I think this is gonna have a lot of contribution, but anyway, just put it there. Just continue here. I post my Kelly, the graduate. They all look like they will carry a lot of competition for me. But for example, you see this one? Big grade drag the competition. But let's continue. For example, this is interesting. The report cute, better, are free, class of 26. Okay, yes, in this one I like this kind of tricky that because of the controllers. And then again, for example, I'm going to franchise it again, and I want to see LGBTQ is coming in 36 days away. Prime month. LGBTQ. Let's check that stuff. Again, I'm gonna go here. Change these filters to 1. You can stop the SR. I'm gonna put here 10. You can put 20. 30 is better. Okay? But then for the sake of the video, let's see your results. We already have 7 and the 300 suffer. Girl now. This one is a cat. Lesbian see what? Yeah. Look at the DSR. This is kind of funny, but I don't know if Amazon will like it a lot, but let's see. No, so let's see this point right now. No. Okay, let's check this ones. Here for the first one. I told you. Too much competition. 3 southern. Abort. Let's see this one. 20 southern. What was this? Graduation is always Saturday. 200 results. What was this? Yes, this one is called. Okay, the star is not that insanely awesome, but 200 results, and these are selling. The first Friday, I will make it. I download this. 289. Let's see this one. DSR. Okay, easy for gamers and graduation. Okay, I like it a lot. but I never upload the controllers. So if you want to take the risk and upload the controllers, this is awesome. It's gonna sell like hot potato. 300,000. What used less than 300,000 for that one, I care. 900,000. Okay, but you get the point. You get the stuff. I like to do this for special dates that are gonna trade like in a month or more. I'd find sub niches with low BSR and not many competition. You have, for example, Bicycle Day, Basketball, World Environmental Day, Rodeo and Ranch, Ocean Day, Patriotic Day, Juneteenth for the Day, Yoga, Summer Solstice, First Day of Summer, etc. You know the game? Use the Merch IQ Chrome extension. It's free, easy to install, and gives awesome results. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.